is tiring up the slope. I think there's someone coming up from the other side. Is it that? Oh, it's just the bridge lights. Or maybe it's the lights from traffic. Okay. Yeah, to everybody. Yeah. Now I'm at the park like at East Coast Park. And I'm wondering if let's say I should go to the McDonald's, the drive-thru McDonald's. Should I? Yes or no? Maybe I should since I'm already clock another one. Yeah. McDonald's, here I come. I'm going to the McDonald's here. And after this I have to find a place to take a picture. I'm actually looking for a place to take my cover photo. Oh, actually this is not a drive-thru, right? Where's the drive-thru? Took some photos, but I don't know if I were to push my bike there. Maybe I should to make it complete, because all my vlog for this McDonald's on two wheels, my bicycle is with the McDonald's logo, so let me try. I hope people just don't find me weird doing that. Okay, am I too weird doing this? In my picture, she just have to decide to stand in that photo. Why? I mean, like out of nowhere, and it's not like that's like a pickup point or anything. I was like, what the? Okay, funny things happen in your vlog, and yeah, and it makes it interesting. So anyway, now I'm on my way back home already, and a safe ride home. I'll see you soon. So keep a lookout for my McDonald's on two wheels video. Bye!